remanufacturing of components through additive manufacturing.
Hello, I am Vinod Deyar, working as scientist in Center for Additive and Special Manufacturing Processes. Remanufacturing or refurbishment is an important technique for restoring the value of a component or product during its life. This is an important aspect in a circular economy where products, materials and components are aimed to be kept at the utility and value all the time. During the usage, components are subjected to wear and tear or damage which impair their functionality and performance. Remanufacturing helps the worn-out and damaged components to be repaired and restored to their original condition. The quality of the technique plays a vital role in ensuring further functional reliability of the refurbished components. Conventional methods such as tungsten inert gas welding result in inferior quality repair due to higher heat input, larger heat affected zone and residual stresses. In this technology development, we have applied additive manufacturing technique for refurbishment of automotive and aerospace parts using laser, which helped in lower heat input and dilution, lesser warpage and distortion, faster cooling rate and excellent metallurgical bonding. Through this developed technology, we can effectively refurbish expensive engineering components such as turbocharger shafts, pump drive shafts, dies, etc. without any thermal distortion, cracks and porosity, saving energy, material, cost and time, helping in green manufacturing. Thank you.